Come test drive 2012 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.